going to use this because it makes it softer. I'm going to use some glue. I'm going to use some laundry detergent, Gain, and this is my previous slime that I made. So let's get started. I just bought this today too. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do it. I don't know why I just took it off the menu. I don't need that much right now. So, and then I'm going to put some of this in it. This is hard to squeeze out. Yeah, now you only need a little bit. And then I'm going to mix that up. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Then I'm going to put this in it, this Gain in it, just a little bit. You don't want it to get like too slimy. Yay! This turned like a little pinkish greenish color. It's like so weird. Dang it, I forgot to add the little foamy stuff. Or whatever it's called. I don't know. See how it's changing? It's gonna be not a little stretchy. You know, you just added something new to the mixture, so. Let me see. Let me try this without it. Cause it seems like it's not working. Ouch. I'm only one. Then I add some more. Then I add some of this. I like that little drop, so I like to see it, come together. I don't like to just come together instantly. I like to watch it come together. It's kind of fun. I gotta get my mama back here. My phone dead, so I have to use my mama phone. Who's that? But yeah, I want you to like this. I want you to comment on this, and I want you to subscribe to this. Oh no! Dang! The boom. At least I could just get it up. I like to come all together. See this came like the way you wanted it, so I'm gonna add this with that. See, I added it in this. Ugh, nasty. Oh well, at least it's kind of like soap. I could just wash it off. I like mine to be sticky. I don't like it to be like not sticky. I like it to be sticky, but if you don't want yours to be sticky, you just add some more laundry detergent. You can do this with baking soda, glue, contact solution, and that's it. And some food coloring, but the color of it is gonna already change the color because mine, you see, is a little green color. Yeah, you see, it's a little green color. So Yep. Perfecto. Right. Oh, nope. I need a paper towel. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And this is, fixed up, had to get some paper towels. And I'm finna add some more glue because I like my stuff to be sticky. I don't like it to be not sticky. I'm gonna add some more glue. Okay, I was looking like, where we go? I'm gonna show y'all something in a minute. So when I get done making this, I'm gonna go upstairs and show y'all it. I'm gonna have to stop it though. So you guys are gonna miss me. I mix weirdly. I mix like this, like doing this. I don't know why. It smells good. One time, so when I was at school, when I was at school on Friday, I had made some slime. I took it to school and I had some Takis, the purple ones. I ain't had the Dorito kind, and I put it in there, and it turned purple. So my slime was blue. I made it with Thai instead of game, and it was blue. So I had put it in there. When I say it made it sticky, I like it. But if you put a lot of Takis, it's gonna make it sticky. If you put a little Takis, it's not gonna make it sticky. But it's like, I like my slime to be sticky though, for some reason. I like it to stick to my hand, like me doing that stuff. Not all the way, but yeah, I like it too sometimes. I gotta hurry up, cause my mama go on her phone in a minute. I made a slide this time. But I got a little almost gallon of glue. Probably not even almost. Just a regular gallon of glue. I forgot their name, but I want you to go like somebody else's page. I want you to subscribe to Karina Garcia, Hawaii Tour Collector. I think it's Life with Brothers. Yeah, go to Life with Brothers, and then go to BM versus GF. I like that. I like the challenges, and then go to DreamWorks. I just started watching her videos like yesterday, and it was good. She did life hacks for kids. That's what she be doing. It's like a TV show. I wish she would turn it into a TV show. It's like a little good TV show. Alright, I'm done with this, but I'm finna show y'all my cat and my new present I got for my birthday. Oh yeah, like really much, because my birthday is on October 21st. And my mama's birthday tomorrow. We finna turn up. About to turn up in the club. Yeah, like, hold on.